Remove payment method on Prizepicks. How to remove a payment method in Prizepicks? It's easy and simple. So if you want to remove a payment method from Prizepicks, follow this step. Number 1. Log in into your Prizepicks account. Open the Prizepicks app or visit their website. Enter your login credential and access your account. After that, navigate to the payment settings. Check on your profile icon or go to the menu. Look for the payment methods or banking section. After that, select the payment method. From the list of saved payment methods, choose the one you want to remove. After that, remove the payment method. So click on the remove or delete option next to the selected payment method. Confirm action if prompt. After that, verify the removal. Check the payment method list to ensure the method has been successfully removed. Important notes, and make sure if you face any issues removing your payment method, contact Prizepicks support for assistance, and ensure you have an alternative payment method set up if needed for future transaction. Now this is how to remove payment method on Prizepicks. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.